Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming eligibility. If you hold FA, FSC, or an equivalent credential, you can proceed. Next, gather essentials: scenic, a recent passport-style photo, domicile, and scanned academic certificates. Create or verify your Aiou student record number now. This is critical because you'll receive OTPs and status alerts via the email and phone on file. Once those items are ready, log into the Aiou admission portal, choose B.ed program, and click Apply to begin the online form. You'll now move through the dense middle of the application. Take it slowly. Enter personal and academic details exactly as on your certificates. Mismatches cause rejections. Upload scanned documents in accepted formats, making sure file sizes meet limits so the form won't reject them. When selecting subjects and electives, choose the correct combinations and pick a regional study center that suits commuting. This affects assignment submission. Once satisfied, preview the filled form, correct any errors, and proceed to you finish by paying the application fee, use the online gateway, or generate a bank challen and pay. Save the transaction receipt. After payment, submit the form and immediately download the submitted application PDF and the fee receipt. Store them safely. Then monitor the Aiou portal for your admission status and note your admission number. If the portal shows an upload error or payment not reflected, first clear cache and retry. If that fails, contact admissions with screenshots and receipts to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.